Hi all, welcome to AI Doc YouTube channel. And for today's AI day number 120, I was planning to have a comparison session for different AI tools, but then I got to know there is a new sensation in AI tools that is Qwen, and there is particularly Qwen 3 coder. But before that, for today's session, what will we do? We will try to understand what Qwen is that uh, like a company or that overall tool is all about. So let's try to find that. When I try to check its official website, there is no official website, but its websites, it's available in github.io. So Quen lm github.io. So in this they mention about Quen MT, then Quen 3 coder, then Quen TTS. So these all are different products or tools from Quen, and this is their blog. I think, okay, yeah, this is their blog, and if you see about their about us section of their website, that mentioned that Quen is aiming to chasing artificial general AGI and now focus on building generalist models including LLM and large multimodal models. The embrace open source. They this is the main thing is that they open source their tools, and because of this, earlier we have seen that. Kimi K2 was in news, is in news. Currently, it's making waves as well. And they previously released Quen model series, including Quen, simply Quen. I think that is their explore more models. Quen. So, okay, there are many models they provide. So Quen, then expert model, Quen coder, and Quen maths. Multimodal models are Quen VL, Quen audio. Additionally, we have built web series service and app for users to benefit from assistance of Quen for your daily work life. So we are a group of people with diverse talents, interest. Okay, and on Hugging Face. This is their Hugging Face account for Quen. Space 19 spaces are. Actually, there is no introductory video they have released, but they have uh, presence on Twitter. Okay, so let's check this, right? Okay, Quen AI. Okay, when you click on it, it directly take us to their chat model. No, it's available in English and right? So I was planning to do this navigation and try to understand their models in separate session, but let's check if they offer introductory video or not. Okay, so finally we have found. Let's try to check
Getting
this one.
started with Qwen Chat Desktop is easy. Just visit Qwen.ai and click Download for macOS. Getting started with Qwen Chat Desktop is easy. Just visit Qwen.ai and click Download for macOS. Then, drag Qwen into your Applications folder. Qwen Chat now supports MCP Server. By typing in a simple query like, "Any big sports news today?" Powered by Firecrawl, the results are then compiled and presented in a clear, easy-to-read format.
Fire core, fire search. So I think they are their agents.
Qwen Chat allows you to extend Qwen's capabilities by adding custom MCP services. In this demonstration, a new tool named Veriflight MCP is added using
So it's not new. Actually, they have present from long time, but recently there is in news because of open source and Qwen Chat. Okay, so they release their chat option, chat uh, app in May 13th. Okay, let's check this one. No voice, so we can use deep research option. Here we can see some part of I'm not sure what it is, but it seems edited version, but not sure because earlier also I have seen this here. The editing video is not correct, but still okay. As long as end users get good output or good tools to use with open source, that's fine. So planning is done, then working on task. Approximately it takes around 8 minutes, and finally here we can see the full-fledged report. So how much time it took? Around around 8 minutes 30 seconds, we can say 9 minutes. So we can deploy their models locally via Olama LM Studio as well. It will be good to know that they have different offerings like coder and all this. Okay, so latest models are in Qwen 3. So that series we should focus on. Okay, let's check this one. And when they release this, April 29th. Large language models, flagship model. Okay. Benchmark evaluations of coding, maths, general capabilities when compared to other top tier models such as DeepSeek R1. Okay. So 3 mini go. Okay. What I am interested in that, uh, since it is open source, is it performing similarly what users are seeing result for subscription based AI tools, so that's matter most. Thinking mode model takes time to reason any step by step before delivering a final answer. Non-thinking mode model provides quick near instant responses suitable for simple question where speed is more important than depth. So we have seen this. So what we have seen for Kimiketu, what we have seen that it was what we tried a tool that was non-thinking mode model. So it for non-thinking mode, the difference is like it provide quick and near instant response without like rolling out steps required for working on that particular task. So there is a difference between thinking mode and non-thinking mode. This flexibility allows user to control how much. So we can use non-thinking mode, and it provides quick response for simpler question, but for deep research I think thinking mode required for complex problems. Extended reasoning, we can here clearly see that for thinking mode it takes deep for good quality. I think thinking mode is preferable. They provide supports in 119 languages and dialects as well. So first time I see that for any AI to dialects are mentioned. So when we saw for like be like personal AI, for that they mention around 40 languages they provide support, but didn't mention the languages names. So here we have. So from India, almost all languages are covered. Okay. And for Arabic, we can see these are, I think, dialects are here. And they have categorized not as per country, but as per language family tree, which is uh, interesting, because for usually they mention about languages only, they didn't classify based on language tree, but here we can see that. Improved agentic capabilities, we have coding and agentic capabilities, so how strengthen. For Qwen 2.5, it was trained on 18 trillion tokens, which was like earlier version. For Qwen 3, uh, this it trained on 36 trillion tokens with this like 119 languages and dialects, which is very good. So, so these are different uh, organizations already using Qwen, since it is open source. So let's check this video. This they provided link, extract markdown content of this page, then draw a bar chart to display the number of stars. Okay. So Qwen repositories, like that link uh, uh, they took, and number of stars, and like a task given to create visualization for it. It's on thinking mode. Okay, finally we have this output bar chart displaying the number of stars for each Qwen LM repository. Also provided observations, 18,000 stars. Key observations it provided. So here we have another user case. Organize my desktop by file size. Here is the actual like screenshot of that system that it not organized very well since it's in Chinese, not able to understand, but there are images, there are some documents with different labels. Okay, so finally it updated systems folder that as per images, documents, and there is another folder. So similar content it organized as per like respective within that respective folder. So let's see if they have some. On their X account if they have some user case. Okay, here they have like user case for deep research. I think that we already seen, but let's check the outcome. Okay, that's article based outcome. And PDF file also created with deep research. Okay. Qwen 2.5.
Qwen Web Dev. Build a professional website in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Log into Qwen Chat and switch to Web Dev.
So, must be there. Web dev, deep research, image generation, artifact, video generation as well. Code, make plan, use amazing images. Okay. Let's see this example.
5 minutes. Log into Qwen Chat and switch to Web Dev mode. Input. Help me create a personal website for a developer who wants to showcase his work and skills online. While Qwen builds your website, take a break. Scroll through social media, check your email, or simply enjoy a nice cup of coffee. Once the code is ready, review and make sure everything looks good. If satisfied,
Simple website it generated, and if you want, I think if in follow prompts, if we provide additional suggestions or inputs as accordingly, that website will be created.
click the deploy button. After deployment, copy the link and open it in your browser. There it is, your brand new personal website.
Great.
Built with AI, powered by Qwen. Qwen Web.
Okay, that's cool. So it that website, I think hosted by server is on web Qwen server. So there is no separate like account required to generate that. Let's see this one.
Qwen image
Qwen
generation.
BL.
We'll start in Qwen chat with a simple creative prompt: draw a capybara riding a bike. Qwen
Image generation.
Qwen image generation. We'll start in Qwen chat with a simple creative prompt: draw a capybara riding a bike. And just like that, Qwen VLO generates a fantastic image. Look at that, a happy capybara on its very own bicycle.
I'm not sure why they have this like marks on most of their video, but it looks distracting, but not sure why they entered this.
But what if we want a different feel? Let's ask it to change the style. Our next command is become colored pencil art style. Incredible! It keeps the entire composition but instantly transforms the image into a beautiful colored pencil drawing. Now, let's personalize it. We can add text directly. We'll prompt it to add text title Qwen VLO on this picture. And there's the text. Notice how it
Okay.
cleverly integrates the title right onto the image, following the contours of the subject. It looks
We can add text as well, which is a complex part for image generation. Most of the AI tools can create images, but when it's come to adding text in it, there's the where that they make most of the mistakes.
fantastic. Let's add one final touch to make it a little more festive. The prompt is simple. Add some balloons on this picture. And there they are. The balloons are added perfectly into the background. From a simple sentence to a fully customized piece of art, all through a natural conversation. We've gone from a basic prompt to a detailed, stylized illustration through a series of simple conversational commands.
Okay.
Qwen
So here they have this 20 TS.
我们家那边后面有一个后山，就护城河那边。完了呢，我们就在山上啊，就其实也没什么，就是在土坡上跑来跑去，然后谁捡个那个比较威风的棍儿，完了我们就瞎打，要不就是什么掏个洞啊什么的。我们家那边后面有一个后山，就护城。
Okay, this demo was for 3 Chinese dialects. Okay. So here we can see few user cases created with Qwen. This output is very complex, and when this I saw this mostly during Grok launches, when Grok 3 launched, and during when Grok 4 launched, this output or similar kind of output were mostly discussed, that because these outputs are very complex. So Qwen also can do this. We can change the speed, reset, pause, resume. Okay. Fun. Also they have this Flappy Bird game. Okay. 3D Earth terrain visualization. बोल ना 5 मिनिटं. हा झालं की जातो. It's look like we are using Google Earth, but without detail. Overall output or the model is seems very accurate with map as well. And this is from Alibaba. Okay. Animated weather cards. Solar system stimulation. So different apps you can create as per your requirement, and outputs looks very cool and very interactive at same time. Particle voltage. So all this thread they released on 23. Okay. So I will wait here for today's session, and let's meet next session with continuation of our Qwen 3 Qwen AI exploration part, and after that we will do some hands-on as well. So thank you.